It rained last night. Nice, beautiful, gentle rain, which I'm very grateful for. So I thought I'd come out here and check out my COVID racial justice ditch. Um, One of the reasons I call it that, because this has given me time to, as I work on it, to think a lot about life. And I think about we create our reality by the way we think, because what we think then becomes actions, and our actions, of course, makes all the difference, whether it's action or inaction. So we should do what we love, and we should be mindful. Oh, I'm shitting all over the place. Let me just say, this is what I do. I do what I love, and I'm mindful, even when I'm digging a ditch, that my thought process makes a difference with what that ditch is going to look at like. So we will continue to see if the ditch actually matches up with the vision in the long run.